everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm doing a Dollar Tree. I feel like I just want to shop at the Dollar Tree a little bit more. I miss it. But one thing I do keep in mind when I do at the Dollar Tree is, do I really need it or not? Like, you guys do know I've been slacking on Dollar Tree videos, and it was because I was just buying stuff and buying stuff and buying stuff. And most of the time, it just sat in the bags, and I'm like, why the heck did I buy this? Just to show you guys a video. But this kind of video was more for Ben. Like, I'm just trying to get him to keep busy this summer, so I got some stuff for him, and we're going on a little trip. So by the time you guys watch this, we will be on our trip. So you guys will have to stay tuned, because the husband said I can go to a Dollar Tree while we're down there. And those Dollar Trees down there near the Chicago area, I think, have some great stuff usually every time I go down there. So let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I got at the Dollar Tree. Now, I follow a lot of stuff on Instagram, and I saw somebody post this morph thing, and I'm like, what the heck is morph? Like, there's like nothing in this box. And it says the more you play with it, the fluffier it gets. And it, like, the box just feels like super empty. And I thought it was like kinetic sand. And I'm like, what the heck is this? So I just wanted to open it up and see what it is. So all it is, it's like foam. All it is like a foam. It looks like it will make a mess. I don't know if you have to add water to it or something. You can put water on it. It floats. It says no mess, super light. Available in 6 colors. They had it in orange, yellow, blue, green. Yeah, he picked purple and orange, but I don't know. We'll see how this goes. We'll see how it goes. But as you guys can see, it says it's no mess, but I don't know. But we'll see how it goes. I'll have him play on a little mat. But I'm like, for $1, keeps him busy. So I'm like, for $1, we'll check it out. Not the happiest with it right now. I wish they had one open, but I'm okay. It was just $1. He wanted to bring some Kool-Aid with us when we go on our little trip. So I'm like, whatever. So he wanted to bring the berry blue, and these are for $1. You can't go wrong for $1. And then we got the tropical punch. So for $1, why not? So we ended up getting those, and so I can have some too, because I want some Kool-Aid. So those are for our trip that we're going on, so we don't buy stuff to drink and spend more money. I found this cute little coloring book. Ben's into Tsum Tsums, so I thought that's a cute little coloring book that he can color. Keep busy on that. So definitely got this for $1, yes. And then he just started putting stuff in the cart, and I kept track of what he was putting in the cart. But he was really into, for a while there, he was really into the Thomas Minis. I found these at the Dollar Tree before. These are probably the same ones he already has, but you know what, they're still blind bags. He really likes blind bags. He even wants to have a video where he unboxes and unbags things. So we're thinking of doing something like that. Just haven't thought of it, but he grabbed like 3 of them, and I'm like, whatever. You can grab these when you do good things. So we're trying to really get him to do good things around the house. He's been really into bugs lately. Like, he just like, Mom, there's a bug, there's a bug, there's a bug. And then he saw this where there's a net, a little tweezers, and then like a little cup. I know when he's going to grab the bug with the tweezers, he'll probably squeeze it to death, but whatever. Hopefully it's a bad bug. But he's just been hardcore into bug lately. So I'm like, you know what, if you want to play with this to keep you busy, occupied, you can have it. One time we were walking at the library the other day, and he saw a rock on the ground. It was painted, and there's a big thing. I don't know if it's big around where you guys are, but around this area, people have been painting rocks and then hiding them. And then they have you join like a Facebook group, and you know, you can see if your rock has been found and stuff. So Ben's like really hardcore into that. Now I know these are kind of like fake rocks, but I'm like, you know, these are great projects, because he actually wants to paint some rocks and hide them. And I'm like, you know what, this comes with the paint, and it's a rock, so he can have his fun. So we got the colors of the paint, but these are not real rocks, but he probably thinks they are. But I mean, it's a stone, so he can paint it. So that great little project. Now this is for 8 and up. Yeah, he's almost 5, but this will keep him busy. So he decided to get the sun and the tomato. And then there was a ladybug that we got. So this will keep him busy for one of those days where I need him to do something and I just need him to get away from me. So found these little sports cup liners. Now these are made by Cakemate, which is kind of cool. There's 50 of them in here. I got the football and I got a soccer. So I thought, hey, if we ever have like a party or something, like, you know, a football party for Super Bowl, we won't, but if we ever do, these would be perfect, or these would be perfect for if Ben ever joins a sport. I mean, these could last you a long time, like literally a long time. So these are the only two that they had, but I thought these are great cupcake holders. You can't go wrong with them. 50 bucks for, or 50 of them for $1. That is awesome. I saw this cute little hat. I thought it was kind of cute. I don't know how well she'll wear it, but I thought, you know what, we're going to try it out and see how well it is. So basically, it's just like a little white hat with some glitter flowers on it. It is attached to the thing, but I thought, that's kind of cute. I mean, it's just like a little hat she could probably wear to keep her head from getting sunburned. And then Ben just started, like I said, Ben just started putting stuff in the cart. But he grabbed some crayons, and I'm like, crayons, that I don't care about. So we got 24 crayons for $1. So that'll go good with this coloring book, and I might take that with us when we go on our little trip. And now, since I have a daughter, I can start searching for books that I know she'll kind of like and that are not ruined. Ben ruined a lot of his baby books by eating them and just destroying them. But I saw some cute little books that I'm going to give to her. I might give them to her for her like first birthday or something. So I'm just kind of grabbing stuff as I see them. But I ended up getting these little big monster books. Now I'm not sure how many are in the series, but I ended up getting Simon Big, Buckley Big, and then Sally Big. So, and they have like little chunks of them out. So I thought those are kind of cute to get to save for her, and they got lots of pages. And then I found like a purple unicorn book because I really like unicorns, and I thought this would be a great book to read to her when she gets a little bit older. So I'm saving that stuff for just future gifts for her when she gets a little bit older as I see them. Then I got some more Thomas minis. Yeah, these are probably the same kind of ones he already has. Some of these might be doubles because they say they're from the 2016 series. But I'm like, you know what? If it keeps him occupied, and these one things I don't mind lying around the house. There's some toys that I hate lying around the house, but he actually does take good care of the Thomas ones. And then we saw this Star Wars Hot Wheels battle rollers. And basically what it is, it's like a little car with like a roller on the bottom. And he picked Darth Vader, which is totally fine with me. That was probably the one I would pick, even though I've really never seen Star Wars. I've seen bits and pieces of the very, very first one ever made, but I'm just not into Star Wars. Like, I've been wanting to watch it. I have them. I borrowed it from somebody, and they ended up giving them to me, but yeah. But it just kind of rolls. It's like on a little ball bearing, so I'm like, you know what? For $1, go for it. But there is Luke Skywalker, Rey, Boba Fett, and then the Empire Palatine. And then, what's his name? Darth Vader. So, yeah. So that was pretty much what I got from the Dollar Tree. I got a lot of stuff for him. We wanted to get some snacks for our trip tomorrow, but we didn't really find anything that we really wanted, which was fine with us. I might just find some stuff around the house. But other than that, I was excited to get what I want. I mean, I'm really excited about these, cupcake holders and everything, and then this little hat. I'll have to post a picture on Instagram when I put that hat on her, but if I have to take the flower off, yeah, the flower was just glued to this, but if I have to take it off, I will. Otherwise, I can just have her wear that. But I think that was cute, and this was also in pink. So we got that, and then the crayons and Ben's little bug kit. So yeah, I just wanted to get some activities for Ben to do when I really need him to back off. I mean, he really loves his sister, but he just doesn't understand. You gotta back off. You gotta back off. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree. Let me know if you guys find any of these things. I love going to the Dollar Tree. I just love going to the Dollar Tree because you never know what you're gonna find. You never know. And the store I went to today was actually a pretty decent store, the one that I always like going to because I had to go visit my friends at work, because I have to go back to work in 2 months and they needed some paperwork, so that's why we were over there. But yes, I'm excited to share with you guys what we found when we go on our little road trip this weekend. Pretty excited. Husband is excited for that. But I will be bringing back more Dollar Tree hauls for you guys at least once a month or maybe more. Ben's birthday is coming up in the next month or so, so I definitely will be getting some stuff for his birthday party. I got some little goodies for all the kids to use, so you guys will see all that. And again, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys have a great day and see you guys later. Bye-bye.